Hi Techies, welcome to our YouTube channel Local Techies. I'm Amrit Belala. In this video, we are going to see how to play a YouTube video using Python. For doing that, we require a package called pywhatkit. Let's go and see how to download pywhatkit. For this, we have to open a command prompt and type pip install pywhatkit. This command installs all the requirements and dependencies required for pywhatkit. And now open an IDE and just import pywhatkit as kit. And now to play the YouTube video, we have to call a method called playonyt, which is present in pywhatkit. And pass the video name as an argument to it. Save the file and execute it. The video will be automatically played by opening the browser. An important note in this is the updated video which is present in the top of the list will be played by using this package. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Do follow our Instagram channel for exciting posts and quizzes. Thank you.